All of us are so occupied and swamped with the responsibilities of our life. We are so packed up with a busy life that stress follows by. In this hustle and bustle of life, we often forget to look around and appreciate the little and beautiful things around us. Take a break to glance at the beauty of God's creation. Look at the nature around you. Every bit of it has its own unique phenomenon to tell you about the Creator. Be it the morning melodies or the season's fragrance in the fresh breeze, noonday's rays or the blooms of the day, the streams that flow or the soft glowing twilight that wants to escape to the night, or even the glowing night sky. Every bit of it has its own story to tell about the Creator. Take a break to enjoy the nature around you. Trust me, it will be so relaxing and calming to our stressful life. We certainly can enjoy the beauty of nature, but we should also remember that as Christians, it is our responsibility to protect our nature because this earth belongs to God. O Lord, how manifold are your works! In wisdom have you made them all. The earth is full of your creatures. Here is the sea, great and wide, which teems with creatures, innumerable, living thing, both small and great. Psalms 104, 24, 25. I would like to finish by stating a quote: serve the Lord and preserve His creation. Dear friend, do not forget to take a break to glance at the beauty of God's creation. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. God be with you. Amen.